Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, today in our number work chapter, we are going to learn problem set number 5. You see here, this is our magical box. And you know the name of the magical box is Khichdi box. Yes, Khichdi box. Why? Because there is lots of khichdi. See here, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, all the places, the place values, the khichdi's are here. This is the khichdi box. No, this is actually place chart or place value chart. With the help of these charts, we are going to solve question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now let's start. So in problem set number 5, the first question is write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, when I gave the note students that time, I gave one example of 7 number. So there I show you unit place, 10 place and the place value also. Place value means where that number is located. We have to write the value of whether that is in the 100 place or in the 1000 place, lakh place. Okay, like that. Now again write the place value of the underlined digit. Here are some examples: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 examples there. The numbers are given here and some numbers are underlined. In the first example, this 7 is underlined. Here in second example, this 4 is underlined. And in the third, this 5 is underlined. Fourth example, 0 is underlined. And the fifth example, 9 is underlined. Okay. Now let's see. Only few examples I will explain you students. Remaining examples you have to solve for homework. Okay. And I am telling you again, see students, in 1 week there is only one video. Okay. And I gave some homework to you. Remaining days you have to solve all the examples from the given problem set. Okay. And write the questions with pen, example also with pen. But when solving the examples, if you are totally sure, then only solve with pen, otherwise solve with pencils. When our school get reopened, that time we will solve all this again. Okay, your queries are again I will solve, but still you have some queries, then you have to write in comment box. Okay, otherwise our WhatsApp group, or you can call me. But better students, many times I am busy with other work, this work, so you message me or write in comment box. Okay, but I am telling you again, when our school get reopened, all these chapters I will teach you again. Okay, now let's start. See the first example here. Here always when we are dealing with this number, when we are writing the place value, so always start with the last, here the last place. Okay, so here 0. Okay, when this in this our khichdi chart or the place value chart, actually here from unit place we have to write the number. So 0, here digit and place value. So I will write the digit here, 0 at the unit place, 1 next place is 10 place, then this 2 is the 100 place, then 5, then 9, then 8 and 7. Okay, so now I wrote the number here. See, always when writing the number starts from the unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number means 10 lakh. Now see here, this 7 digit, where that 7 digit is? In the 10 lakh place. 8 is in the lakh place. 9, 10,000, 5,000 place, 2, 100 place, 1, 10 place and 0 unit place. Okay, Now we have to write the place value. Here only we have to deal with this 7 because that is the underline. Where is the 7 now? 10 lakh. Okay, I'll write the 7 here. Now listen carefully. 7 at a 10 lakh place. Now after 7, just count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digits after 7. So give 6 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll see. Unit 100, then unit 10 100, sorry, unit 10 100, comma 1000 10,000, comma lakh 10 lakh. So now 7, the place value of 7 is 70 lakhs. Okay, the place value of 7 is 70 lakh. I hope you understand this. We will solve one more example now. See, and I will tell you. First, if these examples, if you are means having some problem, so prepare this our magical chart or the place value chart or khichdi chart. Then write the numbers, whatever the numbers are given, starts from the 0 with the last digit, right at the unit place, then 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000, whatever the numbers are given, that you have to write. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit. So that is up to the 10 lakh. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here 10,000 only. Don't worry. Always I told you starts from the unit place, then another 10 place, then 100, 1000 and 10,000, like this you have to write. Okay. Now how you have to solve in the notebook? Simple, students. Write the question. First example, 78 lakh 95,210. This you can solve fairly or roughly also, no problem. But here, after writing this first example, equal to sign next line, then 7. The 7 at the where is the 7? The 10 lakh place. So 70 lakh. Okay, this way you have to write the answer. This way you have to solve this question. Okay, now we'll move to the one example, just this one, 50,000. Okay, now 50,000, we'll put the value in our this magical chart, khichdi chart. Okay, now see, here the last digit is 0 here, so I'll write 0 unit place. Then here also 0, the 0 comes to the 10 place, 100 place also 0, right here. Then 1000 place also 0, and here 10,000 place 5. So how will read this number? 50,000. 0 0 is nothing there, so 50,000. Now where they underline 0, this 0, last 0, and this 0 is to the unit place. So value of 0 always, when students 0 is in the 10 place or in the 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place. Okay, the value of 0 is always 0. So here 0 value is 0. So the place value of this 0 in this given example is 0. Okay. Now one more thing. If, for example, here the underline is to the 100 place. Okay. Then you are maybe some have doubt, sir, this is unit place, 10 place and 100 place. So this 0 is to the 100 place. So shall I write 3 times 0? 1, 2, 3, because 100 place. No need, students. If you write 3 times, then also value is 0, and 1 time also value is 0. Okay. Now I hope you understood this first question. Okay, remaining example like this way you have to solve. Then second, below this leave one line. Second example you have to write. See where, just I'll explain. Unit place 10 place 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, and this 4 is lakh place. So here you have to write the answer is 4. After 4, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here after 3, then 2, you have to give the comma. So the answer is 4 lakh. Like this way you have to solve. Now we are going to solve the second example. Okay. Second example, we use again our magical chart or the Khichdi chart. Actually this is place value chart. Now see the second example. Write the numbers in their expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. Maybe you learned in the previous class, first and also expanded class, I know that. Just see. We will solve only one example. This one, last one, fifth one. Okay. So just again we will put this all the numbers in this our chart, Khichdi chart. Now this 2, I told you starts from unit place, so just 2. Then 10 place 9, 100 place also 9, 1000 place 2 is there. Here 3 to the 10,000 place is 2 to the lakh place, and this 9 is okay. So now students, we have to write the expanded form. This 9, where is this 9? In the 10 lakh place. So the place value of 9 is 10 lakh, so 90 lakh. Okay, 90 lakh. After 9, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So give 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Comma, comma. 3. Unit place 10 place 100 place, give the comma, again leave 2 digits, then give comma. Okay. So this value is, this 9 value is, place value is 90 lakh. Where is 2? 2 lakh. Okay. After 2, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So give 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 give comma, 2 give comma. So the place value of this 2 is 2 lakh. Then 10,000. Here 3 is in the place of 10,000. So see 10. After this, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 place or 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Again 3 give comma. So this place value of this 3 is 30,000. Then 2 is in the 1000 place. So 2 after 2. 1, 2, 3. So give 2 0. 1, 2, 3. After 3, comma. So the place value is 2000. Now 9. 9 at the 100 place. After 9, 1, 2. Give 2 0. So 900. Then 9. After 9. Here only one digit, so 1 0. Okay. And 2. Unit place means you have to write the same number here. So now these are all the place values here. So these place values we have to write in the expanded form. Now how you have to solve in the notebook, in the homework? See student, write the question with the pen. First example, okay, we took here fifth example. So I'll write here the fifth example, number of that example. Then what is the example? 92 lakh 32,000 and 992. 992. Now this value we have to write in the expanded form. Simple thing, expanded form we have to give here only plus sign. So first write 90 lakh plus here 2 lakh plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 90, and last remain 2. Yes, 2. So this is the expanded form. Okay, this way you have to write all the examples now. I hope you understand this. 90 lakh, then here 2 lakh again, here 30,000, here 2,919. This is you can solve roughly, student, but actually how you have to solve fairly, like this way you have to solve. Okay, just give here equal to sign, then you have to write this way. Okay, this is now second question. Now we'll solve the third one. Okay, now the third question is write the place name and the place value of each digit in the following numbers. Okay, now let's see here. Write the place name and the place value of each digit in the following numbers. Now this question is little bit different, students. Write the place name. Okay, here whatever the number given or mentioned here, we have to write each and every place name and then the place value. Okay, this we will use again our Khichdi chart. Okay, now which example? Okay, the first one. Now 5, 1 place, unit place, this 5 is first, then 10 place 0, 100 place 7, then 5, then 3. Okay, so we got the number 35,705. Now the place name and the place value. Okay, so how you have to solve actually? Look here. Now write the number, example number. The example is 35,705. Okay, first we have to write the place name. Okay, so we have to start from here. This 3. Where is this 3? At the 10,000. Okay, so 3 in the $10,000 place. Okay, so then they said you have to write the place value. Place value is equal to 3. Now see 3, 10,000. After this 3 here, how many is 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 30,000. So you have to write 30,000. Okay. Then 5. Again 5. Where is the 5? Here 1,000 place. 5 in the 1,000 place. So place value is equal to, again 5 is 1,000 place. So 5 we have to write. After 5, 1, 2, 3 digits. So give 30, 1, 2, 30. So now we got the value, place value 5,000. Okay, so 5,000. Okay, then same way you have to write. Now 7. Okay, 7. Where is the 7? To the 100 place. So you have to write 7 in the 100 place. So the place value of 7 is 700. See here, 7 after 7, 1, 2, 0. 2 place means what? You give the 2 0. So place value is 700. Then 0. This is very important. Now 0 is there. 0 at the 10th place. I told you where that 0 that should maybe to the unit place, 10 place, 100,000. The value is always 0. Okay. Anda 0. So the sentence you have to write 0 in the 10th place, and the place, so the place value of 0 is 0. Okay. Now last is 5. So you have to write 5 is in the unit place, so the place value of 5 is 5. Okay. Like this way, remaining examples we have to solve. Now we will move to the last question. Okay, the last question is the expanded form of the number is given. This is exactly opposite to the second one. Here the expanded form is given, write the number, and here write the number in the expanded form. Means the numbers are given, we have to write the expanded form, and here expanded forms are given and we have to write the numbers. Okay. While writing, students, just here we have to take precautions, students. See the numbers, their place values, and then you have to write. Okay. There are some examples, only I choose 2 examples. We will solve 2 examples. Then remaining examples you have to solve for homework. Now the first one. See here, 9. Okay, 9. Now 9 is, where is the 9 is? The unit place, 9. Then here 70. 70 means 7 10 70. 600. 600. 4,000. 4,000. This is 60,000. See, ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10. So 60,000. Okay. So 60,000, 400. Sorry, 64,000. We have to read togetherly. 64,679. So the number is, see, simple thing, but you have to take precaution when in between 0 is there, otherwise 6 is 4, 6, 7, 9. Okay, it is very simple. Unit place, 10 place, 100, then give the comma. So 64,679. This we have to write. Only take the first digits of the number. Okay, then you can build up the number. But in between the 0 is there, then there should be problem. So just take precaution there. Now this one. Okay. So now we will not take the help of this. We will solve directly. And in notebook also, students, how you have to solve? You have to write the example and then directly the answer to the below the next line. Okay, like this way you have to write. Now we will solve this one. So see here, unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. So just take first number, 2, then 3, then 6, then 9, then 5, after that 1 and 7. Okay, so now the number we got now, after 3 is here, comma, here after 2, comma. So 23 lakh 69,570. So this way you have to write. Okay, again I'll repeat. Actually first you have to write the first digits here, all the numbers, then you can got the number. So expanded form, the numbers is given and you have to convert it to the number, like this way. Okay, These two examples I took. Remaining examples you have to solve for homework, students. Now see students, in the next video we'll see the problem set number 6. Okay. Regarding this, any doubt you have to comment me or you have to message me. Okay. Till there students, take care. Bye bye.